Hey everybody, it's Kevin again. Thank you for joining me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some skulls out of a $1 bill. The coolness to effort ratio is pretty good on these. It takes a surprisingly few number of folds. It's a little bit complicated, but I'll show you the steps, one step at a time. It really only works with a $1 bill. It doesn't work very well with the other denominations because of the eyes being the ones like that. So you start with a pretty new $1 bill. Doesn't have to be super new and crispy. Turn it over on the back side and fold up right under the "In God We Trust" that's on the back side. About a third of the way. Crease that really good. And now turn it over, and we're going to make some creases surrounding George. What we're going to do is both ends of the word "states" is where you want to crease it. So I'll make a good crease there. And this is one that you just crease and unfold. And another crease. And unfold. So you got that so far. Turn it over on its back. And this is a little bit tricky because what you want to do is you want to fold it over, keep this corner held down like this, and fold it back on itself. So make the fold start there at the corner and bring it up so that you see the dollar here and the 1. You'll see the edge of the O there on top of the other O, basically right next to the "we." Fold that down into a wing. See what I did there? Yep, and I didn't come close enough to the corner. I'm gonna redo that a little bit. Right at the O. So you'll see a little bit of the O next to the O. And come as close to the corner as you can. Yeah, it's still not perfect, but it'll be fine. The skulls have little variations. It's no problem at all. So crease that good. And do the same thing here. You want to keep the corner. Fold it back. And here you'll see the little bit of the R in dollar. And fold that up. Mash it down good. So basically what you end up with is Tate down here, and you can barely see the "we." So again, let me show you what I did there. You had the states showing, and folded it over like this with the $1, the corner, and up here. And then again, fold it over, hold that corner, fold it back, and mash it down good. And when you're done with this part, you'll just see the word "we." Now turn it over, and you got George with a couple of wings here. Take the one that's on the top layer, the one that you folded first, fold this up, and there you've got one of the skull eyes. Take it so it's right about halfway through the word "states." Crease that over good. And then fold this one up so that it lines up with the other eye. Wherever that line up is, hold that good, and then fold it down. You may hear a cat playing in the background. Pay no mind. She's just having fun, like we are. Okay, look at pair of eyes. Fold a wing back, like that. And you can fold it so you can see just a little bit of that there. You see. Fold that back like that. And while you do that, you want to make sure your eyes don't slide. Keep the eyes lined up with each other. And again, it's that same wing on the other side. Fold it back like that. And again, you can leave just a hint of that right there. So you get an angle going. And again, the eyes tend to want to migrate as you do these. So you want to keep them lined up as good as you can. Keep everything mashed good and flat. And then hold it upside down like this. Fold these outer corners down. It's just a single top layer. Like that. And if any of that back wing is showing too much, you can just mash it back behind out of the way. And these inner corners on both eyes, fold those back like that. And you got the bottoms of the eyes. Very handsome little fellow. For the finishing touches, these extra corners that are kind of pointy, fold those back a little bit. Corner there, fold it back. And the top point is kind of pointy. Fold that down a little smoother too. And mash it all down good. And you, my friends, have made a skull. So, please subscribe and like if you enjoyed this. Check out some of my other videos to make some of these other goodies. And again, this is Kevin. I will catch you next time. Thanks.